Great story there. Well, this morning we're joined live in studio by Steve Scranton with Washington Trust Bank. And Steve, we're talking interest rates this morning, and you're the expert here, but we want to let you talk about, apparently they're going up. Why is this happening?
Well, basically the financial markets believe with a new administration, a new president, that there's going to be packages that will make the economy stronger. So when the economy gets stronger, interest rates normally go up.
All right, so before that happens then, if that is indeed true and they actually are going to go up, what's your advice to folks? Should they run out now and refinance, or what do you want? What do you think that they should be doing, home buyers and people with loans?
Well, you know, the reality is we don't know whether those packages are going to happen.
Yeah.
So I just try and give the perspective that 4 to 5% interest rates historically are near the lows. You know, we did see 3 to 3.5 earlier.
Right.
I still think 4 to 5% is a great rate.
All right, so what exactly should we be keeping an eye out on when it comes to the rates and loans? You know, I mean, are there specific things besides the number itself that we could be tracking to kind of get a better idea of whether or not they're going up?
Well, one of the things I'd say for sure is just the local housing market, supply and demand. If you continue to see house prices rising and demand shrinking, rates are going to go up just based off of that. But the other is I would watch to see what happens with those economic packages. If they start passing fiscal packages that promote economic growth, then you know that rates are going to keep going up.
Got about 30 seconds, Steve. What does this ultimately mean for the average person out there if interest rates are going up? I mean, how does that affect our daily lives?
Well, from a mortgage standpoint, the reality is that, a 0.5% increase doesn't change your monthly payments by more than about $25 or $30. I think for the savers, I can't encourage them because those rates are not going up yet. It's just the mortgage rates.
So that money in the bank isn't going to get better interest rates?
Not yet.
Okay. All right. Well, Steve, is there a good place to go where folks can kind of learn a little bit more about all of this and stay on top of things?
Well, there's people always look at the internet. I would say we do have a blog site that they could go to that we try and put out objective information explaining these things. I'd encourage them to read that because we're not trying to sell them anything. We're just trying to help educate.
All right. Steve Scranton, appreciate your time with Washington Trust Bank.
Thank you, Matt.